Hi, this is Tim. In this video, I'm going to show you one of our custom control panels. Each panel we build that has some type of custom functionality gets a video like this made. Now, they're not shot for angles, they're not shot to really teach anything. It's really just to show the customer that they're getting the functionality that they're looking for. But I thought they'd be good examples to people who are looking to build control panels or have an idea and they're not exactly sure how to develop it. So let's go ahead and hit play on this one. Okay, so now here's our revised push button station. Got a main start stop, speed control, forward reverse, and the feed start stop, speed control, forward reverse. So main starts our 5 horsepower drive, so speed control, and this one starts our feed. There's our speed control, stop, stop. And then if you look at the indicators right there, right now we're forward, switch to reverse, forward, reverse, and on our feed drive, reverse, forward, reverse, forward. If you happen to have a custom control panel you're looking to get built, please feel free to contact us. Here are some other custom control panel videos we have that you may find helpful, and YouTube thinks that you'll like these videos. Also, please hit the subscribe button. We put out at least one video a week. And if you find our videos helped you make some money, but you're not actually using our service, then please consider supporting us over on Patreon. Till next time.